In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Bybit account if you're locked out or can't remember your password. Don't worry. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Bybit website or launching the Bybit app if you prefer mobile. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and security lock icon in the address bar. It's a good idea to navigate directly rather than clicking links in emails or messages, just to stay safe. Once you're on the login screen, look beneath the fields where you'd normally enter your details and select the Forgot Password option. This is the dedicated path for resetting access, and it ensures your account recovery is handled securely. If you're on the app, the option will appear near the login fields as well. You'll now be asked for the information tied to your account. Enter the registered email address or phone number you used when you created your Bybit account. Double check for typos, extra spaces, and if you're using a phone number, confirm the correct country code is selected. Only the email or number already associated with your account will work here, so make sure you're using the one you signed up with. Keep the browser tab or app screen open after submitting. Closing it can interrupt the flow of the reset. Bybit will send you a verification code to the method you provided. Go to your inbox or messaging app and look for a message from Bybit. Codes typically expire quickly, so enter it promptly and exactly as shown. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, then check your spam or junk folder for email, or ensure your mobile signal is solid for SMS. Avoid requesting too many codes in rapid succession as that can delay delivery. Never share this code with anyone. Bybit will not ask for it in a chat or call. After the code is verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a long passphrase or a randomly generated password from a reputable password manager. Avoid reusing old passwords and don't include personal details that are easy to guess. Confirm the new password, save your changes, and you're done. You can now return to the login screen and sign in with your updated credentials. That's it. Quick, secure, and back in control of your account. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store your new password somewhere safe.